Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to email multiple invoices at once from QuickBooks. This is incredibly useful when you need to send out several invoices quickly instead of emailing them one by one, saving you valuable time during billing cycles. Let's start by navigating to the Sales menu, which you'll find on the left navigation bar of your QuickBooks dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all customer transactions and invoicing activities. Once you click on Sales, you'll be taken to a screen where you can access various sales-related functions. From here, select the Invoices tab to view your complete list of invoices. This tab displays all your created invoices, whether they're draft, sent, or paid, giving you a comprehensive overview of your billing status. You'll notice that each invoice is listed with key details like customer name, invoice number, amount, and current status. Now comes the selection process. Click the checkbox next to each invoice you want to email. What's particularly handy here is that you can select multiple invoices from different customers all at once. There's no need to group them or send them separately. Simply tick the boxes for every invoice you want to include in this batch email. Once you've selected all your invoices, look at the top of the invoice list where you'll find the Batch Actions drop-down menu. This feature is what makes the bulk emailing possible, allowing you to perform actions on multiple invoices simultaneously rather than handling each one individually. Click on this drop-down to reveal your options. From the drop-down menu, select Send. This action triggers QuickBooks to prepare all your selected invoices for email delivery. QuickBooks will automatically send each invoice to the appropriate customer email address that's on file, using your default invoice email template and settings. After sending, it's a good practice to verify everything went through correctly. Check the Invoices page again to confirm the status of each invoice has been updated to sent. This status change is your confirmation that the invoices were successfully delivered to your customers' inboxes. Finally, you can close the window or return to your main QuickBooks dashboard to continue with other tasks. You've now streamlined your invoicing process significantly, turning what could have been dozens of individual emails into one quick batch action. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.